I have a computer question, or printer question rather. So I have all these files here, you know, and they all come from the same source, all from the same folder, and they all look just like this. They're all just renamed, but they have the same, they start with open parentheses, 2 letters, close parentheses, and then a W-O-124-210 or something like that. Some variation of those, or some combination of those numbers. Anyhow, when I want to go print this, say I want to print this page here, hit the Control P, pages 7 and 7. Well, of course, I just did this one, so we're not going to do it. But you see, I have CP2025 selected right there. See, that's where I want it to go. So I'm just going to say, let's say cancel, right? And you see number of copies is 1, pages 7 to 7, because I am on page 7, key. So cancel, right? So I open up the very next one right here. See, really the same thing. I get down to this page, it is the exact same page. I don't know what this is going to do. We're just going to try it. See, so I clicked on the page. That's what I always do. I click on the page. Page 3. Let's see what happens. Control P. HP 5000, 10 copies, pages 1 to 3. Why? Why do I have to go in here every time and change this? Every time. Oh, it's so aggravating. Okay, so let's just print, right? Minimize this one and open up the very next one. Let's see what this one does, just for fun. Let me fix this page. Okay, so I've clicked on the page. It is page 4. Page 4. Let's see what happens. Control P. Same thing. Normally it'll say at least 4 or some other completely. A second ago it was page 7 and it said page 4, but I was on page 7 and I had clicked on page 7 and it said page 727, but it gave me HP 5000 instead of this one, which is the one I want, and it did not say number of copies 10, it said number of copies 1. So it'll give you some variation totally at random every time, but most times HP 5000 and most times 1 to whatever page that I'm highlighted on. But it really is random. Let me just pause this and see if I can get it to do something else. Okay, I'm just going to try it and see what it does. Click on the page, Control P. Okay, here we are. So here's one perfect example. HP 5000, number of copies 1, page 6 to 6, and it is on page 7. You saw me click on the page. Why is this doing this? Why is it so random? Why doesn't it just keep with this? Number of copies 1. And where did it get 10 from? Where does it get 6 to 6? I'm on page 7. I clicked on page 7 before I even touched Control P. And it's totally random every time. Like I say, all these documents are the same. I'm saving them the same way. I actually open, they're from the same document. I open them from, where is it, JA, right here. This is the document that I open for every one of these sheets, and then I just rename the contents on the inside and of course the file name. But the file name, I'll show you what they look like. Hold on. Here's the file names. They're all the same. They all look the same except for here and here. I didn't have the correct number, so I just put the part number there. But you get the idea. There's nothing different or weird going on here. But there is something weird going on in the last month's files. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So here's one that's different. See that the file name is different. It's, you open it and it's totally normal. It's a normal Lotus Word file. And this one is also normal. So why did it change right there? What is different about that one? It's a type 5 file, whereas this one is Lotus Word Pro 9 document. I have no idea why that one's different. It's random sometimes. But see, not all of these are the labeled correctly, because we didn't have a work order number at the time. That's how they're saved. See, these aren't saved the same way. But every now and then, see, you'll get that. Why? I have no idea. I thought it was just the ones that I renamed kind of crazy, because it seemed to fit at the time. But look how this one's not correct. And these are totally different. The 11 by 2 by 1 and then an 8-2. Like, what in the world? I have no idea. And in some of them, there's an Excel file in there, but that's supposed to be there. I'm going to show you some of them. And then some of them are like this. You'll save it, you'll work in it all night, and then you'll save it, and now it does, what did it do? Why did it do that? I have no idea. Type 0 file. No, I don't know. And you can't open it. You can't open it with anything. Oh, wait, yeah, you can't. Look at that. What is it? What is up with this? It doesn't even know what kind of file it, but why that kind of, I don't understand. I don't understand. Anyway, any help folks can give me, really appreciate it.